Alright guys, now that I have the bike, basically the frame, the wheels all put together and ready to go, it's time to do the engine. Now the motor that this came with is a Lifan 2.8. It's an older motor. It does work. Carburetor's bad. I found a great deal on a motor on Black Friday, and this is what I'm going to put in. We're going to go with the Predator 212. Now this engine is probably a little overpowered for this bike, but if you can't go big, you may as well go home. Let's get it mounted. I've placed the motor on here and the clutch, and I've mocked the chain up. So my bolt holes on the bottom on my engine, my motor mount, aren't lining up with the engine. So I need to do some work to make sure I got that lined up right. Make sure I get the bolt holes in the right place because I'm going to have to drill some new holes. But to do that, I got to make sure this chain is straight. If it's not straight, that's going to be popping off. So I can make sure the chain's straight and then get those bolt holes put in the right spot. So. I think I'm done for today because it is freezing in here.